Imagine this. It's January 18th, 2025. You look back at the year 2024 and you see your goals achieved, your finances thriving, your health better than ever. You're surrounded by people who lift you up every day. Sounds incredible, right? Well, here's the truth. This isn't a fantasy. It's within your reach. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 simple steps that took me from overwhelmed and stuck to confident, focused, and thriving. These steps aren't just theories. They're proven strategies that changed my life. They can change yours too. Let's dive in. Step 1. Quiet the noise. Let's talk about the noise. Social media ads, even your well-meaning friends, they all tell you what to do, who to be, what to want. But there's one voice that gets drowned out, your own. A few years ago, I felt lost. I'd scroll through social media for hours, comparing myself to people who seemed to have it all. It didn't motivate me. It made me feel stuck. Then, in 2022, I made a change. Every day, I took 30 minutes for myself. No phone, no distractions, just me and my journal. At first, it felt awkward. But over time, I started asking myself honest questions. What do I truly want? What am I doing because I love it? And what's just to impress others? The answers gave me clarity, and clarity is power. When you silence the noise, you can finally hear your own voice. Your challenge. Tomorrow, block out 30 minutes for yourself. No phone. No interruptions. Write down the answer to this question. What do I really want in 2025? This will change how you think and live. Step 2. Identify your path. Now let's get focused. Most people fail because they try to do everything at once. In 2022, I decided to stop spreading myself too thin. My focus? Building my time management consulting business. I set a clear goal. I wanted to earn $150,000 by the end of the year. No vague dreams. Just a plan. I figured out exactly what I needed to do, how many clients I needed, what I'd offer, and how I'd deliver value. And guess what? By focusing on that one goal, everything else in my life started improving. My fitness, my relationships, my mindset. Here's your move. Pick one area of your life to dominate in 2025. Maybe it's fitness, career, or personal growth. Make it specific. Write it down. Where do you want to be by December 31st? Visualize it. That clarity will guide you. Step 3. Take relentless action. This is where most people go wrong. They overthink and wait for the perfect time, but you'll never feel ready. When I started my business in 2022, I had no idea what I was doing. My website was basic, my pitch was shaky, and I felt like a total imposter. But I didn't let that stop me. I took action. I sent my first email, made my first offer, and started connecting with people. It wasn't perfect, but it worked. Action creates momentum. Here's your first step. Take one small action today. Whether it's going for a 10-minute walk for fitness or reaching out to one potential client for business. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to happen. Step 4. Build momentum with consistency. Success doesn't come from one big move. It's the small, daily habits that create real change. When I committed to fitness, I didn't aim for perfection. I just showed up every day. Some days I felt great, others not so much, but I showed up. By the end of 6 months, the results weren't just physical. They were mental. I'd built the habit of showing up, even when it was hard. Your task? Break your big goal into small, daily habits. Want to grow your career? Reach out to 3 people every day. Want to get in shape? Commit to 20 minutes of movement daily. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment matters more than you think. The people you spend time with can either lift you up or hold you back. In 2022, I realized I was surrounded by people who weren't growing. So I made a change. I sought out entrepreneurs, high performers, people who challenged me. It wasn't always comfortable, but it changed everything. Here's your challenge. Take a look at the people around you. Are they helping you grow or keeping you stuck? If not, find new circles. Online communities, like-minded individuals, they're out there, bringing it all together. Let's summarize your 5-step blueprint to make 2025 your breakout year. Keycap 1. Quiet the noise and reconnect with yourself. Keycap 2. Identify your path and focus on one clear goal. Keycap 3. Take relentless action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Keycap 4. Build momentum through small, consistent habits. Keycap 5. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Knowing these steps won't change your life. Taking action will. So here's your first move. Write down your number one goal for 2025. Make it specific. Then take one small step towards it today. If this video resonated with you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more strategies to help you crush 2025 and beyond. Let's make this your year. Are you ready? Let's go.